In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an Edpuzzle from start to finish. You will learn how to upload a video, edit it, add questions or notes, and save it for later use. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you are logged in into your teacher account. And then go to the left side area of the navigation and click on Content or My Content. This is where you will find the videos from Edpuzzle. If you don't have any videos yet, all I have to do is super simple. You can browse ready-to-go videos if you want to make it faster. Or you can simply go back again and upload your own by clicking the Create a Content. You can create a quiz, create a student project, make a screen recording if you prefer that, but in our case, we are going to upload a video. If you do, you can use your Google Drive if it's connected to your Edpuzzle account, or choose a file from your computer or drag and drop your video here. It all depends on your preference. Now, once you have chosen your file, it will be uploaded, okay? And then it will be forwarded here. It may take a little while, and then the next thing that you need to do, as you can see, this is going to be your video content. Okay, so you can trim it if you wanted to have a certain part of that video or cut out unnecessary sections, because this will help keep students focused and save time. Now, since you have already the video while it's preparing, you can simply go to the quizzes if you want to add a new activity here. You see, all I have to do is click the Add New button here to add a quiz. And you can choose from a multiple choice, open-ended. All right, you can do so. Click the Save button. And then this will be part of your video that you have created. So you have now an Edpuzzle, you have a quiz, you have a video, and if you want to add slides, playlist, and projects, you can do so, because this will be added to your content and that's going to be your Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.